Shout out to any of you who can play a musical instrument. I have never been able to my entire life, but I've always wanted to. Welcome to Brick Design. My name is Jesse, and today we are building these super awesome musical instruments. So first, I'm building this double bass, and this was actually requested by one of my subscribers, and it inspired this video and this theme, so I hope I did it justice. When I'm building, I really try to focus on accuracy. I want to provide a build that is as detailed as possible and also to scale with the minifigure. With these instruments, I really focused on the shapes and the layouts. I really wanted to do them right, so I hope you guys enjoy. I love how they turned out, and I did include parts lists for each instrument in the description below. And as always, smash that like button for me, and please consider subscribing. So when you're building this harp, just be aware it is a little flimsy just because of all the different angles and the connections that are going on with these pieces. So just play around with it, and it should all come together pretty easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. You can always see my other tutorials on Instagram and TikTok at Brick Designed, and let me know in the comments down below which instrument you like the best or what you'd like to see me build next. And I'll see you guys in the next video.